Just working the bead spinner, twisting. This is the Beadle. This is actually the Doris longer curved needle for use with the bead spinner. And I'm going to add not as many as I did last time because it really should have gone a little bit longer. It's a 10-inch total cord this first half. So I think I'll just add about 15 inches or so, and I'll measure it out on my tape measure, which is above the top of my large beading mat right here. So this is, again, using your bead spinner, flipping that over, and then, like I said, about 15 inches or so. That's about 3 or 4 good spins. You can see how easy the needle is grabbing those beads and then taking that off and using these stopper beads to help me make sure they don't slide off. So this is a dark bead, but I'm using a light stopper bead so I can see it from a distance. And it's also a glossy bead. It's important because a matte bead would be less easy to slide. I'm going to slide it and then keep going with, like I said, about 10 more.